Ever needed a money order but didn't have a bank account? Have you ever been stuck in a situation where you needed to make a secure payment, but writing a personal check wasn't an option? Maybe you're renting an apartment from a landlord who prefers a money order over cash. Perhaps you're sending a birthday gift to a relative across the country and want to avoid the risk of sending bills in the mail. Money orders are a fantastic way to handle these situations. They're essentially prepaid vouchers that act like a guaranteed sum of cash. You pay the issuing agent the amount of the money order, plus a small fee, and they provide you with a document that can be used to make a secure payment to a designated payee. But the question is, where do you get money orders? Can you get them at your bank? Well, that depends on your bank. Today, we're going to dive into the world of money orders and see if Capital One, a popular financial institution known for its credit cards, offers this service. Capital One, credit card giant, money order mystery? Capital One has carved a niche for itself in the financial landscape. They offer a vast array of credit card options, from no-frills rewards cards to travel and cashback powerhouses. They even dabble in online banking and savings accounts. But when it comes to money orders, Capital One throws a bit of a curveball. Here's the thing, Capital One doesn't directly sell money orders at their branches or through their online banking platform. This might surprise some folks, especially those who consider Capital One a one-stop shop for all their financial needs. However, there's no need to panic. While Capital One itself doesn't offer money orders, there are still plenty of ways to get your hands on one. Money order alternatives, a rundown of reliable sources. So, where can you go if Capital One isn't an option? Fear not, because money orders are widely available at a variety of convenient locations. Here are some of the best places to find them. The U.S. Postal Service, USPS, your friendly neighborhood post office, is a reliable source for money orders. The USPS offers money orders with a maximum value of $5,000, making them suitable for most everyday transactions. There's a small issuance fee involved, which typically ranges from a few dollars to $10 depending on the amount of the money order. Retail stores, many large retail chains, such as Walmart and grocery stores like Kroger, offer money order services. These are usually located at the customer service desk. The fees and maximum limits might vary depending on the store, so it's always a good idea to check beforehand. Check cashing stores, often seen in strip malls and high-traffic areas, are another option for obtaining money orders. While convenient, they tend to have the highest fees among all the options we've mentioned. Choosing the right money order provider, a balancing act. Now that you know where to find money orders, here are a few things to consider when making your choice. Fees. As mentioned earlier, different providers charge varying fees for money orders. It's always wise to compare prices before you commit. Convenience. How close is the location to your home or workplace? How long will it take you to get there? Factor in these aspects when choosing a provider. Maximum value. How much money do you need the money order for? Make sure the provider you choose offers a money order that covers the entire amount. Security. Always choose a reputable source for your money order. Ensure the place looks professional and has a good track record. The takeaway, Capital One might not sell them, but money orders are readily available. While Capital One doesn't directly sell money orders, there's no need to fret. Money orders are a widely available financial tool, and with a little research, you can easily find a provider that meets your needs. So next time you need a secure and convenient way to make a payment, remember, money orders are your friend. Just do your homework, choose a reputable provider, and you'll be good to go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.